Whether you need an on-camera light, a stand light, or an entire lighting kit, iCan is your one-stop shop for quality lights at affordable prices. The Multi-K LED light is one of those high-quality, low-cost lights that you'll be grateful for. It's a small, lightweight on-camera LED light that runs on either 6 AA batteries, 12-volt DC power, or even a D-tap cable. This dimmable LED light offers variable color temperatures from 2800 to 6500 Kelvin via red, white, and yellow LEDs, allowing you to match nearly any other light you may have on set, both professional and practical. Because output is always strong regardless of your color temperature setting, you're able to achieve a number of creative lighting effects. Not only is the Multi-K a perfect on-camera light with a 1/4-20 threaded adapter, this light can be easily mounted on a light stand using an articulating arm, utilizing the Multi-K as a versatile backlight or hair light. The Multi-K includes a high-quality padded custom case as well as AC power and a hot shoe mount. The Multi-K LED light from iCan.